how to make money using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a method that will help you generate from $200 to $2,000 per month. So basically guys, the idea is that you're going to search for the local small businesses in the United States. Then you're going to see the problems that they have based on their profile in Google Maps. So first of all, you will search for the bad reviews that they have, because you can pitch them the service of removing these bad or those bad reviews, because those bad reviews are very awful for the business and for their reputation. And the second thing, we're going to search if they have a website or not. If they have one, check if it's up to date. If it's not, you can offer them to renovate their website. And if they don't have one, you can offer to create one. And then you will see if they have social media profiles, and you can offer to manage these profiles in order to help them grow on social media, which will eventually help them make more money by getting more clients. So let's start with choosing the state that we're going to use. And I forgot to tell you, you will not need any skill whatsoever in order to make this money. You will just need to find the problem that these businesses suffer from. Then you will offer the solutions, whether it's building their website or removing their bad reviews. All of that you can outsource it to the freelancers in Fiverr.com or in freelancer.com or whatever freelancing platform you like to work on. So here, let's first find, or let's choose the state that we're going to start with. For example, let's choose Washington DC. So here, let's zoom in on Washington and let's choose a state or a town or a city. Let's go for Waterville. And here, let's search for different businesses. Like, let's search first for hairdresser. Beauty salon. Cutting edge barber hair shop. They cut women's hair too. So these are the salons. So here, let's go for the first business. It has only 42 reviews, and they don't have a website as well. So there are a lot of services that we can offer them. We can offer them the website creation, and let's see if they have some bad reviews. Here we have 5 star, 5 star, 5 star as well. Let's go for more reviews to see if you can just find one bad review. It's enough. We can work on that, because one bad review can result in getting you, or in destroying your reputation in the market. So here, let's see, we have 5 star, 5 star review, 1 star review. I am extremely disappointed in this business, and the owner, this business, sold a gift card to me right before shutting down the B-review location without letting me know, a 3-year customer, that they were closing down in 2 weeks from the purchase date. I have tried contacting the Chilean location, the owner Michelle, and the info email for months now, and they will not credit me the $150 gift card. This is extremely unprofessional and verifies all of the sketchy rumors I have heard. extremely disappointed. And this is a local guide. So this is a very bad review to have in your profile on Google Maps. So you can just take a screenshot of this review, and then you can read it for them when you call them, or you can send it via email if you can find their email, to use it as a pitch to convince them to buy your service. So if you can just convince them to buy the service of removing the bad reviews, you can then proceed to convince them to buy the service of creating a website for them as well. So I think, guys, you get the idea of how you can make that amount of money using these techniques. So here, let's see if we can find another bad review. 5-star reviews, five star. So I think that's the only bad review that they have, and it's enough. It's enough for me. So let's go for the after you get them to pay you the $200 or the $100 payment for removing the bad review. You can then go to fiverr.com, and then you will search for the people that do GMB optimization, which means Google Maps business optimization, which helps ranking and Google Maps citation for local businesses and for local CU. And here, as you can see, they will do the service for $25, and that's very good, because if you get paid, let's see, the minimum that you can price your service with is $100. So if you just got paid $100 from this salon only, and you pay the freelancer $25, you will be left with $75 from basically doing nothing, just contacting a business, then contacting a freelancer, and you will not need to learn any skill whatsoever, and you will not need any capital as well. So that's a very easy money to make. So guys, I think you get the idea, and after you get one client, it will be easy to get more clients after that. The hardest thing to do is to get the first client. So after you get your first client, it will be easy to get the other clients as well. So just make sure to pitch as many businesses as you can, and wait for them to respond to your pitch, or you can just call them directly and work on your pitch and your communication skills and your selling skills. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.